Gaan zij. Ga weer? Gaan zij. Hello. We are back again. We have a bunch of things to fix, so you're going to see the same shirts. So we're going to be dirty for the next few weeks. So we have a few items we want to fix. And yeah, Happy New Year as well.
Happy New Year! From your friend Borat.
So we have, for the first item for today, a fan that's being ghettoed for the most part.
It's supposed to work via USB and then or batteries, but obviously batteries only last a couple of minutes or hours, I don't know what. But the USB port at the back is wrecked.
Yeah, so let's quickly show you. So this just, we'll show this later, if it needs to be, but, so, what's the trick?
The trick is you're supposed to wiggle it at the back. Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay, so you get the picture.
almost there, but it's not working.
Yes. So, what's happening is over here. Focus. There we go. So this one is loose. It's a goosey loosey. So
I fixed the sellotape for load shedding evenings just to sleep at night, but yeah, that doesn't work anymore for me. So now we gotta fix it, man.
yeah.
And over here.
Okay. So if you look over there, all the pins seem to be fine. It just seems that the cover is damaged, so that's fine. Just let me, I think the cover is not grabbing onto the thing anymore, so if we can get that shut, we can get that shut again. It looks fine. Yeah, so let's see.
Okay, let's just have a look here. How it fits. And you see, I think that's the problem here because it's not fitting properly. I think it's just loose. And now what I'm thinking is that you can just bend this closer together and it should be able to keep it more tightly, hopefully.
Yeah, so let's do that.
There you go, Mr. Steady Hands.
Do you have tongs? Because my tweeze is not going to do it.
Solid. Nothing wrong with the good old-fashioned rusty pliers. Love that noise. Okay, I'm gonna go for the squeeze. Alright, getting better. Oh, perfect. Oh,
What's happening?
something feels a little bit loose up in this spot.
Okay, we're talking again.
Okay, so I got another USB cable and it feels a lot better. It fits a lot better, right? Yeah.
Yes, no wiggly.
No wigglies. So
Wiggly.
we might think that the USB is also problematic. So let's test it and see if we've been successful.
Yeah, let's look at this one. It is a 9 volts. That one's off.
Plug it in. Any amps drawn?
Holy. 10 times better, sir.
That sounds better and it looks a lot better right now.
Yeah,
Let's turn it around for you guys. So let's have a look at that. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Alright, cool. So, works every time now. Massive difference. I think this one.
So I think it was obviously a combination of both. I think the physical USB and the port to plug it in, I think both were a little bit wonky. So let's throw out the old one and I'm sure it's fixed. So we'll heat. So let's get it put back together and show you the end product.
Please. Cool. Thanks, guys. Don't throw away, ne?
Don't you dare!
Or just give it to us.
Yeah, send it to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, if you're new, we should have said this in the beginning. Subscribe. So if you're watching this, subscribe because it means you will be new. So I don't think we have.
No, but that's alright. We enjoy the content ourselves.
Yeah.
If you don't watch it, we'll watch it. Of course.
Yeah, so like, subscribe, all of that. Yeah, and we're gonna get cracking
And if you see us looking the exactly same in the next video, it's just because we
don't have.
don't have any other clothes and we believe in continuity.
Continuing ability.
That's that one.
Okay.
Man.